Have a nice day, everyone. My friends, please take care that this channel is not as a reference, but to motivate you to follow the approved aircraft manuals. Also, I am 80 years old yesterday. Please encourage me to continue by subscribe in this channel and put like and comments on the YouTube channel, like as you put your comments and likes in LinkedIn. Okay, now we will go to continue the how can you use the aircraft maintenance manual part 14 for example Airbus 320 family at the chapter 28 fuel external leak limitations part 2. We identified before about the type of leakage. Now find full external leak, fuel external leak. Identify leak location. Here the location. The locations here into three types: open areas and not fully closed areas and closed areas. After that, identify the leak type. We spoke about before: light leakage, heavy leakage, continuous leakage. Here the open area, the open areas where leakage cannot flow to the possible fire source, the top and bottom of the outer wing surface. Okay. The second, the not fully closed areas, where the rear walls of the tanks, the fuel tanks, the closed area, the front wall of each tank, each engine pylon, the bottom surface of the center fuel tank, the main landing gear wheel well. Here, this is the tanks here, and this is the center tank. This is the forward wall of the tank, here, the forward wall, and this is the rear wall here, the rear wall, and this is the center tank, and this is the engine pylon here, the area over the engine. Here, the main landing gear wheel well, left and right. Okay? This is the pylon here. The open areas and not fully closed, the two areas are the same. If the leakage is light leakage, so you do inspection every week, every 7 days calendar, or make a permanent repair at the next maintenance interval, not exceed 600 flight hours. But I think 6,000 flight hours is less than the A check. So plan your procedure. The heavy leakage, also this is the open and not fully closed. Do an inspection every day or make a temporary repair immediately or make a permanent repair at the next maintenance interval not exceed 600 flight hours. The continuous leakage, make a temporary repair immediately or make a permanent repair at the next maintenance interval not exceed 600. Here the closed area. The closed area. The same thing, identify leakage here. The light leakage in the closed area. Do inspection every day. The interval here is shorter than the open area. Or make a temporary repair immediately. Or make permanent repair at the next maintenance interval not to exceed 600 flight hours. The heavy leakage, also in the closed area, make a temporary repair immediately or make a permanent repair at the next interval not exceed 600. The continuous leakage, make a temporary repair immediately or make a permanent repair at the next maintenance interval not exceeds 600 flight hours. So please follow your approved aircraft manuals, maintenance manual, and the repair, go to the structure repair manual. Again, please follow your manuals here. Thank you very much. I am waiting your comments and your like and your suggestions and your subscribe. Thank you very much and goodbye.